So hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will see another cool example of an effect which you can apply on a website. So here you can see a text, and if I just hover it, you can see this cool effect which is going on here. So the heading tag just slides upward and another text just appears from its bottom. So we will be doing this effect in this video, and it is just a very quick and simple effect which you can apply on your navbar elements or any other like buttons or anything else you want. So let's head to the VS Code and see how you can do this effect. It is just very simple. So let's see how it is done. So I have opened my VS Code and let's see how it is done. So first of all, let's just create the boilerplate over here, and after that I will create a style tag, and inside the style tag, first of all I will give the padding and margin 0 to all the elements. Then in the HTML we will write a div tag. Inside this div tag we will be writing our heading. So there will be two heading tags. So in this div tag we will be creating two heading tags. So I will name this h2 instead of h1 and write it over there heading, and just copy it down, and I will give it a class also. So here I will write just let's say first, and in this I will write let's say second. So why we have written two heading tags? Because that's only name, because then only we will be getting that like up and down effect. So whenever this first heading will go upwards, this second heading will be coming from the downwards. So that's the reason we have written two heading texts. So let's click on go live and see. All right, so it is looking something like this. So now what I will do, first of all I will target the div tag, and let me just show you what is the borders looking at. So for example, let's say I will write here 2 pixels already red, and as you can see the border of div here is looking something like this, and we have to change this. So what we will do, first of all I will just do the width to fit content, and in this way the width will be decreased. Then what I will do, overflow, let's say this is the main part, so I will write here overflow will be hidden, and you will not notice anything right now, but just wait. And then let me just do some other things also, cursor pointer, and let's just give a padding of let's say 5 pixel. Yeah, this will be great. And then this is also a main part, so you have to give this a position of relative. All right, and after that I will target our first element. So here, so this is the first heading, and I will just increase the size. So as you can see I have just let's just reset the zoom level, so it is looking something like this. So let's change the font size real quick. So I will change the font size to let's say 3 rem. I think yeah, this is fine, and let's just zoom back to what we have originally. So yep, and also after the font size I will give the position relative also, and top, from the top we will give it 0 pixel. So for the first heading we will give the 0 pixel from the top, but you will see for the second. So let's write the code for the second. So here the real magic will happen. So we will give the position absolute over here, and let's just hit enter, and you will see something happened, because we have given the position absolute, and the container and the parent container, the div, is relative. So the second element will be just floating in that container, and we can just play with this top value here. So let's say for example I have written here 60. So you can see that the second text has just vanished. So where it has gone downwards. So as you can see over here, let me just increase to let's say 20. So it is just going downwards. So let's say 25. So it is going downwards. Okay, so 60 is a perfect value for this font size over here. And one more thing you have to write over here, and it is transition. So we will be applying a hover effect, and to make it smooth, this transition is necessary. So I will just write all linear, and let's say 0.2 seconds, and I will just copy it for this second over here. And now we are almost done, and the only thing left is to add a hover effect. So what I will write div hover, and whenever a person is hovering over this div, we need to change the first element and also the second element. So I will write here first, and here what I will do, I will change the top value. So this top value will go to -60. Alright, so let's say -60. And the same thing I have to do for this second one. Okay, this second one over there, and this will go to 0. That's it. This is all the code you have to write in CSS to make that effect. So let's see now how it is looking. So yep, as you can see, on hovering, the first heading is going upwards by 60 pixels, and the second heading is is returning to its original position, which is 0 pixel. So this is how you can achieve this effect. And let's just remove this border, and yep, so now we go. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something new, and if you have any more effects in your mind, let me know in the comments. So that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.